Hey guys, how is it going? This is Anu from the Art of the Garden. Today I'm going to harvest the potatoes, most of them anyway. So I thought I will show you the process. So this is my potato bed. As you can see, I have already harvested some of the potatoes, and there are still more, a lot many to harvest. I'm going to harvest some of the potatoes which are like kind of tilted like this. I mean the wilted potatoes, and they are not pretty much not brown yet, but I'm going to harvest them anyway because one, I need potatoes, and the second thing is I want to make some space for something else. So I'm going to leave the potatoes which have the buds on them, like for example like this. They still have flowers on them, so I'm going to leave them. But whatever I am seeing a little bit stressed out or wilted, I'm going to harvest them. So I already harvested some of them, so these are the ones. So one thing I did differently is that let me show you the plant. I'm holding the camera on one hand and trying to show you with the other, so it's going to be a little challenging, but yeah. So this is what I wanted to show you. So you see there is nothing left. The reason being, this time I have planted the potatoes using my own potatoes that I had, store-bought potatoes basically, and I cut each of the potato wherever there is eye into pieces, and then I planted those pieces. That's why you don't see anything left on this plant when you remove the plant. So one thing I observed is that if you use the pieces, the harvest is not that great. I mean, I'm still getting good harvest. No, don't get me wrong, but it's not that great. When you use the seed potato, the entire seed potato, you get much more higher harvest than this one. I think that's what I thought, because when I used the seed potatoes last year, and I believe I had very good harvest. I'm seeing good harvest even with the pieces also. So by all means we can use that method as well, but I'm just saying that probably that is there is something, maybe the plant doesn't have enough uh, nutrients available or whatever. So I don't see that many that big of harvest I have. You see like this, smaller ones you get because they don't have enough nutrients available. But anyway, so I'm going to harvest whatever I can today, and these smaller ones we can still use them in soups or somewhere, so they are not going to go waste anyway. Wow, this is good. I have to take back my own statement, I think, because I just removed 3 plants, and this is the harvest I got. And remember, these are from the pieces, it's not even the entire seed potato that I used. So that is good. So I'm holding the phone with one hand and trying to film it as I harvest the potatoes. So I'm going to stop the video now and harvest everything that I need to harvest, and at the end I'll show you what it looks like. I think that's all. I think here Yeah, I think in the 3. Oh, I still have here. Okay, no. Okay. All right, guys. Let me harvest everything and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay. Hey guys, so I have harvested most of them. I'm going to keep these remaining plants here. I'll harvest them once the blooms are done. I see a couple of plants still need to be harvested, but I'm going to do that entire bed at once. And I think I have removed almost 14 to 15 plants. I counted them, so give or take 14 to 15 plants. So with the 14 to 15 plants, this is the harvest. So this is I don't have any weighing machine to weigh how many potatoes we got, but most of them looks fantastic. I don't see any blemishes, I don't see any bug damage or anything like that. They look beautiful and fresh. So I see that because I have planted the this yellow Yukon Gold. I think that is what most of the plants are anyway. So that's the harvest that I got. So I'm going to leave them in air dry for a couple of weeks, or I will keep using them whenever I need to, but otherwise I don't wash them. I'll just keep them air dry and use them as I need, and at the time before I just use them, I just clean them up and then use them. So that's it. I wanted to show you this. Thank you very much. Bye.